Hey everyone, Chris at Melrose T-Tops here. Quick introduction, if you're not familiar with us, we've been in business for over 40 years and we manufacture replacement T-Tops and Corvette roofs from 1978 through present Corvettes. Today we're going to be covering replacement roof panel options, relensing options for 84 through 96 C4's. So when you call us or go to our website, we're going to ask you a few questions. First and foremost is if you have a usable old roof, or core as we call it. If it's got road rash because it flew off the car at speed, you're going to want to check your frame for cracks. Typically up here, back here, some weak points. Make sure the frame's not bent. Make sure no one's drilled into it at any point in time or altered it from factory specs. So if you don't have a usable core because it either flew off the car, hurricane, tree branch fell on it, who knows, you're going to have to either find your own core to send us, or we have refurbished units or brand new units available on our website. The difference between the refurbished and a relens is the refurbished are going to be completely gone through. Frame has been sanded, reconditioned, repainted. It's going to have new weather strips, new weather strip channels, new front guides, new rear bolts, bushings. Everything's completely gone over and inspected. It's ready to install once it gets to you. If you're going the relens route, obviously you need to have a good frame. Benefit is you get your own stuff back if you're partial to it. If you like your frame, it's in good condition. Some of them have serial numbers from the factory on the frame. Your parts are good, or you just want to get a new lens. If that's the case, you got to get your roof packed up, sent to us. What we're going to do then is typically just replace this part. Everything else will be left alone. So you're going to get a new lens. A la carte options are the side gaskets and the steel edge trim surround, which are options you can do after it arrives here or on the paperwork we're going to send you. So a lot of our customers have questions or concerns of how to get their roof to us for repairs. We do offer a box and prepaid return label option. At the time of this video, it's $135. We're going to send you a box with a label to get your roof back to us. You're going to get the box. It's going to look a little small. Just slice the tape, expand it open. Inside, there's going to be packing foam large enough to wrap around your roof. Get your roof wrapped up, packed up, put the label on it, drop it off at the ship store, whatever the label's for. Typically it's UPS store. We suggest you taking advantage of the box and label route. It simplifies matters on both ends. When you purchase this option, we're going to send you the box. You don't have to worry about hunting one down. And it's also going to come with some paperwork that you're going to be able to retain some of the records for yourself. It's going to have the date, a return number, stuff like that. At the bottom, you'll have options to choose from, the a la carte items, edge trim, weather strip, so forth. Everything's clear, straightforward. We have all your contact information. The last thing we want to do is get a roof from someone with absolutely no information, and then we got to wait for that person to contact us. Last but not least, when your roof is complete and repaired and we ship it back to you, it's going to be shipped in a double corrugated box. It's going to be insured. It's going to have foam corner protectors, inserts, and wrapped in foam and covered with protective film.